guys? 450 Ruts here with J-Dog. We're rigging up right now. We're gonna head to a local reservoir and see if we can't catch any fish for you guys. So stay tuned. First, senko.
Yeah.
On the new bait caster setup. Oh, dude. Finna catch some fish or what?
Nah.
About to stop and get some gas, and then we're gonna head to the reservoir and hopefully catch some fish. Pick up some trank. Dude. I'm down. Just got some drink. Gonna fill up on gas right now and then get some fishing. Alright guys, just showed up to the spot. J-Dog's spooling up his spinning reel right now so we can walk around with two setups. I got my two bait casters set up right now. I got a Ned rig with a craw on and a huge swim bait. So stay tuned. Alright, we're gonna set up a quick Ned rig if you don't know how to, if you're way too big. So we're just gonna chop her right down in half. Kinda look like that. Shout out to Guggen. They make the bombest baits out there.
Hands down.
Hands down. This. So if you guys can see that. So when you cast out the Ned rig, it's going to come down. And when it's sitting in the water, the pinchers are going to be flailing up, pissing the fish off. And it'll get them to bite. Made it out here. Just going to be walking down to the trail. See if we can't find any good spots to stop. I'm already apologizing for the audio. It's going to be really bad because of how windy it gets here. I might just try to, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I need to get a mic or something with a wind block. Yeah, I know. He's got work. Gonna fish this little brush patch. Let's see if we can't see any fish down here. Wow, look how clear that is.
Nice.
Looks beautiful. About to pick up a bunch of ticks. God, about to get so many ticks. Ugh. Oh, dude. He's a pro, he's a pro. Don't want to slip. Oh, God. Hit the barbed wire. Make sure to go follow the homie Jordan on Instagram. Make sure to link it in the description. I got you, J-Dog.
I just stabbed it up.
You good?
Yeah.
Just got stabbed in the nuts. What do you want? Shit looks so prime. I really want to catch something on the swim bait because I've never caught anything on this thing. Yep, over here on the rocks. Really gets super deep. Wind's starting to pick up. Threw on a little, let's see, little chatterbait with paddle tail on it. See if I can't get anything. So I was actually fishing this spot about 2 days ago, right in front of this brush, and I caught my PB. So I'll put that clip in right now. Video?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So I think this might be my PB. It feels like 5.5. I just caught him on just a little drop shot worm, but I'm gonna get the release on him. This thing is fucking huge. Hell yeah, that's what I call a release. Yeah, get a big F in the chat. Can we get an F in the chat? Jordan got snagged too. Oh God.
Bitch.
Let's get a big big W in the chat for that dub right now. Didn't break off.
Fucking dumb.
We're moving down because I keep getting snagged. And if my calculations are correct, there's something down there that keeps snagging us. These rocks just keep getting looser and looser. Damn. Jordan likes it loose, huh? Huh? Hoping I can get some fish out of this little cove right here. That's a fish. Oh, I think I just pulled it out of his mouth. Oh, I was getting bit. Oh, missed him again. Got him that time. Yes. Hell yeah. There we go, first fish of the day. Man, it's a chunky one. Holy crap, it's a big old fish. A little largy for the first one of the day. Not too bad, pretty chunky guy. A little release on him. Oh my God. And there he goes. Finesse tactic.
Got one.
Actually?
That's a big one.
Is it?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, it's a toad. It's a toad. It's a toad.
Oh.
Just don't. That's a big one.
That's big one.
No!
Oh, shit.
No! No!
Nigger dog.
No!
That was a fucking massive. The fucking rock, and then it started moving. I was like, that's a fucking big one. Well, there's a big fish out here.
Oh, I got one. Got one. Got him! Oh, it might be a good one. Oh, no, it's a little guy. There we go, guys, number 2. As big as the one that Jordan just had hooked. That one was probably a 4-pounder. But this is better than nothing, I guess. Hey, dude, I think we found the fish.
Yeah.
We found him. There we go, guys.
Go for a hike.
Number 2 for me. Yeah, we. Yeah. Oh, came off. Oh, wait, no, it's just a stick. Holy shit. All I know is this stick's got a mean bite. Oh, it's a big one. No, it's a good one. Am I even recording? I am recording. Wow, this fish literally just choked my bait so hard.
What are you using?
Senko. Same color as your Krackin craw though. Yeah. Oh, guys. Look at that. He choked that Ned rig Senko. Absolutely choked it. There we go, guys. Number 3. Not a bad fish. We're out here on these rocks, and I was just finessing them, chucking that little Ned rig. Get him back in the water. Oh, that was beautiful. Beautiful release. Guys, we made it over to this other rock part. We hiked, I don't know, I'd probably say another quarter mile. My GoPro's about to die, so they're going to be very inconsistent clips, and then once it does die, if we catch anything more, it's just going to be recording on our phone. So hopefully we can get at least one more before we leave out of here. But we've had a pretty decent day so far. I've caught, I don't know, I think 3 on the Finesse. Jordan hooked into one, lost it. Hooked into, I'd probably say it was his PB. It was almost like a 4-pounder, but he lost that also. Hopefully we can get some more for you. GoPro wasn't recording like I warned you guys, but just pulled up another one. Man, these are some pretty ass fish. There we go. Nice little hook set right there. All right, guys, we're out here. 4th fish. Nice guy on the little Ned rig. Oh God. Like I said, but oh, hell yeah. Oh, J-Dog's first fish of the day. Oh, that's a fucking good one.
Yeah.
Chunky ass.
This thing sucks.
All right, you want to explain what happened to your reel?
Yeah. If I don't hold it while I'm trying to hold the line, it just lets go and fucking releases it. So.
Hey, dude, first fish though. Want to hold him up?
Almost lost him again.
I just threw on a bigger worm, cast it out pretty deep, felt a pretty good bite, and look what I just set the hook on, guys. For the mouth, look how fat that fish is. He's bug-eyeing, dude. He is bug-eyeing. All right, guys, right before we were gonna leave, we're still out here on the rocks. I casted my Ned rig a little bit farther out than I have been, and look what I just pulled up. I would say that's a 3.5, 4-pound fish on him, nice and chunky. Man, I'm gonna get the release on him. Oh, that's a good day of fishing. Oh yeah, that's another one. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Might be a good one too. Keep her down, keep her down. Oh, it's a decent one. Let's go. Another fish on the senko. We're just right out here on these rocks. Got a little bit of brush right here, J-Dog over there. I'm gonna get a little release on this guy for you. He's chomping. Hell yeah, guys. Starting to head back. It's getting hot out here. I'm getting pretty hungry. Might go get some chicken or something. Sounds good. That's another one. Oh, it's a good one. Did he get me snagged? So, well, then I just had a fish get me into the snag, and I went to pull up, snapped my rod completely in half. Wow. I actually don't even know what to say. Yeah, I'm done for the day now, definitely. Alright guys, we're headed out from the spot right now. Fished for probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours. Had a pretty decent day. I caught, I can't even really remember, but I want to say 4 dinks and like one pretty good sized one. I would say 3 or 4 pounder. Jordan hooked 3 fish, landed 1. Dude, I'm super bummed because I missed. It was probably going to be his PB. It looked like a 4 pounder, but the line snapped right there. But it is what it is. You know, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. Make sure to share with all your friends that fish, and hopefully there's going to be a lot more content coming soon. So.